असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, hello children. Welcome to MRMS digital classes. Today we are going to discuss grade 3 science chapter 7 the story of cooking session 1. Today we are going to learn cooking of food. Cooking is the process of preparing food for eating by heating it. We cook food because for eating. Cooking makes the food soft so that food is easy to eat and easy to digest. Cooking makes the food tasty as salt and spices are added to food. Cooking also kills the germs that are present in raw food. The food is eaten raw or cooked. Fruits are mostly eaten raw. We generally cook most of vegetables before eating, but there are some vegetables that can be eaten in raw form. For example, cucumber and tomatoes taste good even when we eat it raw. There are some foods that cannot be eaten without cooking them. For example, cereals and pulses we cannot eat without cooking. Children, do you know? When food is overcooked, its nutritional value is lost. We should avoid overcooked food. In next video or in next class, we are going to learn about storing of food. How we are storing our food, we will learn in next session.